So what does low-cost luxury holiday home ownership look like? Let's take a look at this beautiful Carnaby Glenmoor Lodge and find out. We're at Chesil Beach Holiday Park and I'm Vinny. Let's take a look around. So as you come along your walkway, you'll notice your wraparound decking with glass balustrades. Up at the front, we've got some beautiful sea views looking out towards the island and the marina. A great sized front decking. Imagine enjoying those summer afternoons with a glass of wine, enjoying the views out to the sea. Follow me inside the lodge and let's take a look around. Coming into your lounge space, it's a real homely and almost a country feel in here with your freestanding furniture and that winged armchair just across from your featured fireplace. Coming through to your dining area, it's freestanding so you can move it around as you please. Coming through to your kitchen, you've got amples of room and all of the appliances that you may want. A built-in microwave, your sink here with the slimline dishwasher below, oven, grill and hob with the extractor fan above, and even a washing machine. First up is your twin bedroom. Inside of here we have a 2'6" bed and a 3-foot, and of course that built-in wardrobe as well. Just opposite your twin bedroom, we've got your family shower room with your basin, toilet, and large walk-in shower. And through to your master bedroom. In here, we have a king-size bed, so much storage, more than you could ever need, including a dressing area with a beautiful view out to Chesil Beach. On the other side, you'll notice your 3-door wardrobe and the ensuite toilet. Follow me back through the lodge and onto your south-facing decking. If luxury holiday home ownership might enhance your lifestyle and you'd like to explore it more, click on the link below or give us a call on 01305 836 836 to book your experience day and experience the park fully.